Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, teacher. Yes, children, three types of descriptive paragraphs we have done.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Which paragraphs we did describing a person? Second was?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, describing
Ma'am,
a
the
place.
friend from Haryana.
Yes.
Ma'am, second was
Describing a
place.
person, describing a place, and yesterday we did describing an
Event.
very good. Event, what event we described yesterday?
Annual
Ma'am,
function.
All children.
celebration.
Okay. So when we talk about a place, you described your study room and there was mobile, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, for
ma'am.
thing it was mobile.
For things we did study room also and we did place. Did you do study room?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah. We did study room. We did the second one, that is my mobile. For persons, you did friend from Haryana and my brother, a favorite teacher.
Good morning, ma'am.
And for event, yes, Peter, good morning. For event, we have done only one thing. Yesterday we did one. What was it?
Ma'am, annual function.
Children's Day.
Now let us describe science exhibition in your school today. And then we'll finish off with the descriptive paragraph writing today. What
Okay,
are you,
ma'am.
or you give me more suggestions, some more interesting ideas? Anyone? Events. Give me more interesting ideas if you have. Yes, Peter. Anyone who has interesting ideas, please tell me. Any other topic you would like to suggest?
Diamond Jubilees.
Diamond Jubilee of what, beta? Diamond Jubilee celebration of what? What event?
100 years of school.
100 years of. Yes, Peter. Tell me more ideas.
Ma'am, Teachers Day.
Okay, fine. Teachers Day. Or you can take it as exhibition, science exhibition in the school. Any other ideas which are coming to your mind?
My favorite sport.
Okay. That is not event. You can describe a basketball match or a cricket match. That will become an event. Okay. Any interesting
Sports Day.
Sports Day? Yes, you can take it as Sports Day as well. It has to be an event. I'm absolutely okay. You can take it as Sports Day also. Fine. Any event you pick up and please start. As usual, we'll do the first 5 lines. That is it. Hurry up, please. Only the first line.
Ma'am, we can pick any topic of our choice.
Yes, beta, it should be an event, any program.
Yes, ma'am.
Be the wedding also. It could be a cousin's wedding, sister's wedding, brother's birthday. Any event you can take up which you feel you can write in an interesting manner. So you'll tell the topic first 5 lines.
Ma'am, can we take diamond exhibition?
Yes, you can, beta. It's an event. That also is an event. You can surely take it.
Ma'am, we can also describe the marriage, a wedding day.
Yes. Yes, a wedding of any cousin, brother, sister, because this is also an event, beta. For sure, you can take it. Anything, but it should be an event, some program, some function. Not a person or a place, it should be a function. Like always, you write the first 5 lines, speak the topic, and read out. I hope all of you are writing now.
Yes, ma'am.
Not like
Yes, ma'am.
always, same few children write and speak. Everybody has to write. I'll ask you by name now. You speak, you speak. Hurry up, Bate. Let me see who speaks first.
Ma'am, I have done the first 5 lines.
Yes, you have to speak the topic. First, tell your friends what topic you have selected and then speak. Start.
Okay, ma'am. Science exhibition. Every 2 years in December, our school conducts a science exhibition for enhancing our brains and skills. Students get into this from October and start thinking about innovative ideas. This also helps in development of an inquisitive mind. All students try to think of extraordinary projects.
Very good. Very well. How nicely is described the month and how when do we have an exhibition. Now go into the details, beta. Very, very good.
Ma'am, may I speak the first 5
Yes,
lines?
tell the topic and speak.
Science exhibition. Science exhibition is held in our school to enhance the knowledge of the students. In
Yes.
the science exhibition, all the sections of all the class classes from 6 to 8 had participated. The theme was of agriculture. Me and my group also participated in that exhibition.
Very good. So you remember the theme and how we had planned. Very, very nice. Very good. Carry on, beta. Too good. Only 2 students have spoken.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Peter, speak.
My friend's birthday party. My
Okay.
best friend has a very special place in my heart. Yesterday was her birthday, and I tried to make her feel special in every way possible. She had her exams, so we had a very small celebration. I started preparing for her birthday gift 20 days early.
Yes, very good. Very good, beta. Very nice. She's taken a different topic. So
Ma'am,
interesting.
may I?
Yes, Peter, please speak.
Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is an important day for all the students because on that day they get a chance to celebrate the importance of teacher and show how much they love their teacher. I recently attended the Teachers' Day function in my school. Whole school was decorated very nicely and this was done by the students. Students also prepared some dance and singing performances and organized few mini games for both students and teachers.
Very good. See, everybody's taken a different topic, so it's become interesting also. Beta, today is Wednesday or Thursday?
Wednesday.
Ma'am,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
On Wednesday.
Okay, fine, fine. I was just seeing my timetable. Very good. Thank you so much. Continue. Hurry up. I'm still waiting. Teachers' Day is done. Science exhibition is done. Birthday party is done.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, why science exhibition? Ma'am, we can write that there was also some art exhibition and ma'am other things.
Anything, beta. It can be anything. Exhibition is an event. So you can have any type of exhibition. Science, art, anything. Anything, beta. Because all exhibitions are events only. So you can take any of them.
Okay, ma'am.
What about other students? Not even written 5 lines as of now. Tell me.
Ma'am, I've written the next 5 lines.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have
speak.
also written. Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, first let him speak. He spoke first and then you speak. Beta, you speak.
Okay, ma'am. I am
Start.
also interested in the exhibition. It is student's choice whether he want to be individual or with a group. All projects are categorized and kept in separate rooms on the basis of their classes. I remember I participated in the exhibition in 7th class with my friends. We made a conch of water purifier which took almost a month to prepare. Our science teachers helps us in making projects and giving us unique ideas.
Very good. He remembers the exhibition well. Even this that we can make single projects or we can make it in groups. You participated when you were in class 7th.
Yes, ma'am.
In 8th, we must have had the annual function, and now because of COVID, we don't have anything 2 years. Yes, the next child, beta, speak.
Yes, ma'am. The students of classes 9 to 12 had also participated, but the topic was different from that of the classes 6 to 8. When we took our project in the exhibition hall, we felt somewhere nervous because there were a lot of students in the hall and all had made big projects.
Very good. So she's adding a human touch to her writing. Apart from describing the exhibition and the projects, she's also putting in some emotions to make it interesting. Very nice. That is why I tell you to speak. Others get good ideas. Carry on, children. Yes, beta, please speak. Yes, please speak.
Everyone in this world is fond of diamonds, to wear it as jewelries or to have it, to even have some items made up of diamonds. But certainly it's not possible for everyone to afford it, but can definitely have its glorious light into our eyes. And for this reason, in our town, a diamond exhibition was held by the government in order to know more about world famous and special to all of us, that's diamonds.
Very good, Ahana. Very nice. You have a very lucid style of expressing yourself. Very nice. She's taken a different topic. Try to add a personal touch to it again. Human emotions, which has made it more interesting. Very, very nice. What are others doing? Sleeping? Dreaming? What? Eating? What are you all doing?
Mummy,
Yes, Peter, speak.
Sports Day. Sports Day was organized when I was in GPM school. That was like a memory for me. This event was organized with the help of the sports teachers. That day, our playground was so much clean and tidy. There were many sports for students. Students can participate in any of the sports. The rules were also given to the students before the event starts. There were also awards for the winners.
Very good. Very nice. She's taken care of even the small details, like the rules were informed to the students beforehand. Good, beta. Very good. Carry on. Hurry up, hurry up. Some of you have not even spoken the first 5 lines. What happened, children? So many in the meeting.
Yes,
Hurry up.
Yes.
Yes, Peter.
I thought of surprising her with a portrait of her, and she absolutely loved it. We clicked pictures together and then cake cutting. Less people were invited due to the pandemic. The celebration was doubled when we had dancing and singing. After that, we had our dinners and also a good family time.
Okay, so you've given her a beautiful gift. She's described the gift, and gift is so different, beta. Very nice. Continue. The word limit has to be taken care of. Make it minimum 130 words at least. Hurry up, please.
Ma'am, now can I speak?
Yes, beta. Speak, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Art exhibition. The art exhibition is the most creative competition for me. The last art exhibition was held in 2018. The paintings were started making 9 months before. The paintings were different and were made in different style, like by plastering and oil painting, etc.
Okay, his topic is very different. Art exhibition. And going to describe about the paintings. So it is going to be more interesting. Something very different. Very good, very good. Carry on, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, beta, please speak.
Ma'am, my topic is ICC World Test Championship Final.
Yes. Speak.
The most awaited amongst the all. The very first to happen in the world is the World Test Championship Final between India and New Zealand in Hemisphere Bowl in Southampton in United Kingdom, and when we played between 18 to 22 June. India's campaign started 2 years ago in 2019 when they played their first group stage match against West Indies. India was unbeatable till when they faced New Zealand in group stage match. India lost the series by 0-2. After winning against England, India made it to the WTC final. Because of COVID-19, not very less audience are allowed in the stadium. Groundsmen are on their work to make the ground green and to make the pitch suitable for the batsmen. I wish I was watching the match in the stadium, but my TV screen would lit up the whole day. The stadium is decorated beautifully and the players are eager to have their white jerseys on them.
Very good, very good. Very beautifully described about an event which has not even taken place yet. But he has described it so nicely. Nice, vivid description. Very well done, beta. Very well done. How many words you must have written approximately?
Ma'am, I have crossed 100 words.
100 words. Just add on some conclusion. It needs to be 120 to
Okay, ma'am.
150. Just add on a bit of conclusion.
Okay, ma'am.
You can add on and make the conclusion.
Ma'am, may I speak conclusion lines?
Speak, beta. Speak.
Ma'am, may I?
She was really happy and overjoyed, which made us emotional. She kept praising the portrait, and that made me really happy and satisfied. At the end, as a birthday present, she convinced my parents to allow me to stay with her that day.
Oh, so that is going to add on to the next part, huh? Staying back for night. So, friends gossip. Very nice, very nice. How many words? How many words, beta?
Ma'am, 145.
Perfect. 145 is a perfect one. Very, very good. Posted?
Ma'am, posting.
Ma'am, I've done the last 5 lines.
Speak, beta. I think now your word limit would be fine. Speak.
Yes, ma'am. Each student participated in this exhibition with great enthusiasm, but nobody's project can be made in one go. While I was participating, I saw many groups having trouble with their projects. We also faced many setbacks while making the purifier. But everybody calmed down and made a splendid project. The main objective of this event is for students' involvement and to strengthen our thinking skills. Well done.
Very nice, beta. Can we have the words now? How many words?
Ma'am, it's 130.
130. Fine. Done. Very good. Posted?
Ma'am, I'm posting.
Post on the group. Let me go through it once again.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, beta. Speak quickly, children. We have hardly 4-5 minutes left. Please speak.
Students also prepared beautiful handmade cards and sticked some fans and chocolates to give them to teachers. Teachers really loved all the performances and games and appreciated the effort made by the students. On that day, lectures were replaced by celebration, and both students and teachers enjoyed a lot. Our principal sir also gave a speech on importance of teachers and thanked them.
Very good. Very good. So I think this is your conclusion. How many words have we done with beta?
Ma'am, I'm counting.
Yes, please count.
Posted in the group.
Count and let me know, then we'll post.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, beta, how many?
Ma'am, I'm counting 1 minute.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, beta, post. मैं ऊपर ही जा रही हूँ अभी 10 मिनट है. Hurry up, children, hurry up.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, beta, speak.
Our school
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, okay, very good. Let's listen to what others are saying. Yes, beta, speak.
Our school organized a science exhibition in the month of December, where the theme was agriculture. All the classes from 6 to 8 participated and made creative models. Many performances were performed. The students started to prepare their models before a month. Our science teachers helped us a lot by giving innovative ideas. Chief guests, parents, and local people were invited. The exhibition started at 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. We all were happy, excited, and a little nervous for our models. We were in a group of 4 and had a very nice time together.
Very nice, very nice.
Ma'am,
Beta,
may
can
I?
we have just 1 second? How many words are there? Just count and let me know. And now you speak.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my words
96.
are 130.
97 is less, beta. Add on a little. Add on a little.
Ma'am, my are 130.
130
May
is
I?
perfect. Yes, beta. Now you speak. 130 is okay.
Summer Camp 2019. 2019. When I was in class 7th and it was the month of May going on, we usually used to feel very exhausted and tired due to studying in such hot summer. But one thing we were excited about was that the summer break was about to start, and with that, the amazing summer camp. We were given summer camps form with so many options and activities. We could choose any 3, and it was for classes 1 to 8. The summer camp was for 15 days, that is from 15th May to 31st May. We enjoyed a lot in summer camp with friends, and on the final day, that is 31st May, we performed what we were taught of what we learned in front of our respected MD ma'am.
Very good, very good. Very nicely written. Nice vocabulary used. How many words?
Ma'am, I have not counted yet.
Okay, dear,
Ma'am, may
counting.
I?
Yes, beta, you speak by the time you count.
Ma'am, my topic is Sports Day. Sports Day is a best day for me because I always take part in some of the sports. Sports nourish our life in many ways. It teaches us discipline and continuity in work to get the goals. It keeps us fit both physically, mentally, and emotionally. It is the best way of entertain and meditate in the mind in such a polluted and pressurized environment where everyone becomes ready to give tension and create problems for other one. It enhances our concentration level and memory power and fills the mind with the positive thoughts.
Very nice. Some of you really, the ones who are writing so quickly and expressing themselves, amazing children. So quickly you are able to get ideas and quickly you are able to write also. Very, very nice. Count the words and tell me.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have written 111 words.
111.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, add on a little. Word limit pura karna chahiye. Add on 2-3 more lines. Let's see, you'll reach 130. Very good. Add on and give a nice conclusion.
Ma'am, I have written 134 words.
134 is perfect.
Ma'am, I have written
Perfect.
130 words.
Yes, that's fine. Anything between 130 to 150 is perfect. Hurry up, hurry up. You tell me the words. Who else is left?
Ma'am, 90 words.
Oh, it is very less. Add on, make it 130. Hurry up, please add. Those who've written, I hope you posted also. I'm checking on the group also. Please hurry up.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, Peter, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. There was high security, which included hundreds of guards to look out the exhibition. The exhibition was organized in a 500 square feet area near civil lines. There were total 50 cameras and 50 spy cameras to maintain the security. People were not allowed to take their phones in. The light provisions made the diamond glorious light to spark more. High profile people were there, and the district magistrate of Bareilly was also here to have the feel of diamonds. The most amazing thing that added spark to the exhibition was the gemstone of 90 carat. After switching off the lights, we all were shocked and surprised to see its light that was filling the whole room. Many mind-boggling facts were also told about the diamond exhibition that made me so curious to more about them. This exhibition was so amazing that I like to cherish it every time, be it be any time.
Very nicely written. Again, good selection of words. Very interesting way of speaking as well. How many words?
Ma'am, 160.
Okay, fine. Perfect. Very nice. Post on the group, beta. Hurry up, please. Post. Yes, beta. What about the other mute ones? Yes, children. Conclusion.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am, only 2 minutes.
Hurry up, those who are writing. Everybody has to post on the group.
Ma'am, I have sent my work.
Those who are not able to complete, whatever has been written should be posted in the group, even if you have not completed. Only if you will post beta, you will be marked present. How many of you are still left to post?
Ma'am, post.
I will mark only those students present who post.
Ma'am, I have added the word.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Now
have done.
speak quickly. Speak quickly and we'll post.
On the sports day, many of the games are played like football, relay race, gymnastics, cricket, basketball, etc. In charge of the sport day is our PTI sir. Those who wins, they get a lot of awards and trophies. And the law and the awards and the trophies are given by our principal. Ma'am, 130 words.
130 words now. Perfect. Perfectly fine. Please post. Very good. Post on the group.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Whatever
Ma'am.
has
Can I
been
post?
written, please post on the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Can
you
I
also
speak, ma'am?
speak quickly. Speak quickly. We just have a minute.
School exhibition, science exhibition. School science exhibitions always meant to be excited. We need to work on different projects, then a single best project wins the title. But all are appreciated. Every year, our school organizes uh, annual Einstein science exhibition. At the at this exhibition, all of us present our projects which are later judged and win prizes from the chief guest. Our last annual science exhibition was held when I was in class 7. Me and my friends formed a group to make a project and uh, uh, to make a project for it. Our science teacher gave us the idea to make a Concord purifier. Our group started to work on it. It was not easy, but full of enthusiasm. Many problems came while making it, but me and my friends tried to get out of it. Finally, we made that. Finally, we made that, and it was presented to our judges of exhibition, and we were awarded by a certificate of participation.
That
Uh,
is nice. Very good.
uh, these exhibitions should be organized in every school to check out students' capability.
Very,
Uh,
very nice.
in last, I want to say this exhibition was full of fun.
Very good. Please post on the group. Excellent, Bache. You've added up everything. Please post on the group. Let me see. Let me read it once.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am,
Very nice.
can I also tell my ma'am?
Ma'am, I have
Those who have
sent it.
posted on the group, make sure you post on the group, all of you. Otherwise, you will not be marked present. See,
Ma'am,
I'm
I have
checking on the
posted.
group whatever is being posted. Even if you have not completed, last 30 seconds are left for the class to get over. You need to
Excuse
post
me,
whatever
ma'am.
has been written. Has to be
Ma'am,
posted.
I have given the heading of ma'am school exhibition, ma'am. Ma'am, it should be science exhibition, ma'am. What should I do?